How to block websites on iPhone. If you have children with iPhones or iPads, or who you use yours, and you want to control the type of content they can access when browsing the web in Safari, you're in luck. Apple lets you do just that. You also can block a specific website on the iPhone real easy. Launch Settings from the home screen. Tap Screen Time. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap Content Restriction. Tap Web Content. Tap Limit Adult Websites. Now we have a new section on the bottom. Add a website that is always allowed or a website that is never allowed. Let's tap on Add Website on section Never Allowed. Add the full URL for that website you wish to block. Now you see here the site is added. If you try to surf this site now, you will be blocked and you will not be allowed. This is how you block a website on the iPhone. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.